PC200-8. This is the original and the other is replacement from China. The issue is there's error when they replace this from China. The error is active. The error is 317 active. The cause misalignment of the hole, not centered to the vertical. Here is good and timing to there, but the problem is here, the sensor over here not aligned to the crankshaft.